Now, we are going to do now is how to clean and sterilize baby bottle. First, we're gonna clean the baby bottle with the soap and bottle cleaning brush and the nipple bottle. Here in the Philippines, we're not using the sterilized bottles machine because it's so expensive. We are using a classic boiling method. Place the baby bottle into the boiler caldero and put some water. Let it boil in 3 to 5 minutes so that the bacteria will be gone. After boiling the baby bottles, dry it and put into a clean container. How to burp a baby? First, put the towel or a clean cloth on your shoulder. Then after that, put your baby in your shoulder. Give a gently pat on the back of the baby. Always burp your baby when feeding time is over. To help prevent the milk from coming back up, keep your baby upright after feeding for 10 to 15 minutes or longer if your baby spits up.